John Bochniak, and the firm's name is Compass Financial Consulting, and we started in, late 99, early 2000, and our practice is made up of 2 partners and 2 staff members. We pitch ourselves as a wealth management firm. We do everything. Both my partner and I are CPAs and CFP, so we do everything in terms of the personal financial planning, tax, estate, as well as manage the investments. We started, again, in 2000 with about 12 clients, and we've been blessed to grow to over 100 families now that we serve on a recurring basis, and represents about $100 million in assets. My background before coming into personal planning was corporate planning. So I worked for companies and always had the opportunity to have the tools that were integrated. So when I needed to do forecasts or budgets or any of that stuff, I had PeopleSoft or Hyperion or just software packages that would allow me to get to all the data at once. And when I joined Kevin here at Compass, I quickly realized, well, these same tools don't seem to be here in the personal planning side. That we had, 4 different software packages that we were using, and the efficiency curve, I was used to a much greater efficiency curve. And it was pretty shortly after I joined that we started to say, I don't see us working on these different platforms for this long. And we actually kind of had the, called the perfect storm, if you will, as far as saying, okay, it's time to really make a decision here, because the contact management software that we were using started to get a little bit shaky in terms of, it was on our server and we were finding the performance of it was hanging up a lot, and we'd have to sit there and kind of do the whole, finger tapping. Well, when is this going to come up as we were jumping around? Then, also when we'd have to flip a quarter to see who had to go through the Excel spreadsheet update every year to get everything upgraded and in tune for the next year. We got tired of doing that. Then in terms of our actual portfolio management software, got taken out by one of the big boys, and they decided they weren't going to support it anymore. So we, all 3 of those combined, said, okay, we can go ahead and start to look for something to replace a number of different things. And started looking at the marketplace, but quickly came back to my background and what I had seen, which was, we want to be efficient. We want to have one platform. We want to be integrated. And everything that was out there, that wasn't the case, except when we discovered IAS.